Hello, children. I welcome you all in my English grammar class. Today, topic for our class is Let's Recall One, page 70. And I am your English teacher, Sneha. Children, today we are going to study page number 70 exercise. I have already given you A, B, C exercise answers. We have discussed it. Now we are going to discuss page number 70, exercise D and E. Let's first start with the D exercise. In this question, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. First is I dash to school every day. Children, as already given in the heading, you have to fill in the blanks with suitable verbs. Suitable verbs का मतलब होता है जो verb यहाँ पे sentence में correct लगे. ठीक है? Now what are verbs? Verbs are words that tells us what a person, animal or thing does. We can also say verbs are doing words or action words. Verbs वो words होते हैं जिनसे हमें कुछ काम के होने का पता चलता है. ठीक है? So let's fill in the correct answers now. The first one is I dash to school every day. हम क्या करते हैं स्कूल के लिए every day? We go to school. So I go to school every day. The answer is go. I go to school every day. Next is we dash bread and butter for breakfast. What do we do with bread and butter? We eat. We eat bread and butter for breakfast. Breakfast के लिए हम bread और butter क्या करते हैं? We eat bread and butter for breakfast. Third is the teacher dash us English. What does a teacher do? A teacher teaches us. So the teacher teaches us English. Teacher क्या करती हैं? Teacher पढ़ाती हैं. The answer is the teacher teaches us English. Fourth is I dash cricket with my friends. Cricket को हम क्या करते हैं? I play cricket with my friends. Fifth, the horse dash very fast. We have to fill in verbs. Okay, so we have to just think of the action which is being done here. The horse dash very fast. What does a horse do very fast? It runs very fast. So the answer is the horse runs very fast. Next is the lion dash very loudly. What does a lion do very loudly? क्या एक्शन होता है very loudly lion का? The lion roars very loudly. Okay, R-O-A-R-S, roars very loudly. Seventh is we dash our national anthem. हम अपने national anthem को क्या करते हैं? We sing our national anthem. Eighth, you should dash lots of water. What should we do with lots of water? We should drink lots of water. हमें बहुत सारा पानी पीना चाहिए. Ninth, we dash in Agra. We live in Agra. हम आगरा में रहते हैं. I dash my country. हम अपनी country को क्या करते हैं? Yes, I love my country. Very good. So, I will repeat once again. Whenever you are asked to fill in suitable verbs, think of the action आपको सोचना है कि यहाँ पे क्या एक्शन हो रहा है, ठीक है, एंड देन यू हैव टू फिल द आंसर्स. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. This is your exercise E. Read each word, decide if it is a noun, a verb, or an adjective. If it is a noun, color the box with a blue crayon. If it is a verb, color it with a red crayon. If it is an adjective, color it with a yellow crayon. Children, in this question you have to decide and note down whether the word is a noun, a verb, or an adjective. So how will you make it out? Let me tell you what nouns are, what are verbs, and what are adjective. Children, as we have already studied, nouns are naming words. Nouns are names of person, place, animal, things, birds. So the names are naming words and nouns are naming words. Name of a person, place, animal, thing, bird, all these are nouns. Now what is a verb? I have already told you in the previous slide. Verb is an action word. Verb is a doing word. And what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes something about the naming word. Adjective क्या होता है? Adjective is a word जो हमें किसी भी नेमिंग वर्ड के बारे में कुछ बताता है. Adjective tells us something about the naming word. I will give you an example. Soft pillow. How is the pillow? The pillow is soft. Word soft tells us the quality of the naming word pillow. जो हमारा word है soft, उसकी वजह से हमें पता चलता है पिलो कैसा है. So whenever you ask the question कैसा, how, then the answer comes and the answer is adjective. Let's do the exercise now. The first word is wet. Wet. Wet floor. Wet का मतलब क्या होता है? Wet का मतलब होता है गीला. गीला floor, है ना? तो this is an adjective. Wet is an adjective. Brown. Brown is also an adjective. Brown jacket, brown bag, है ना? कैसी jacket? How is the jacket? The jacket is brown. The bag is brown, so it is an adjective. The word brown is an adjective. Dog. Dog is the name of an animal, so the names are nouns. Dog is a noun. Bark. What do you mean by bark? Dogs bark. All of you know dogs bark, है ना? तो bark is an action, so it will be a verb. Bark is a verb. Happy. Happy boy. Boy के बारे में हमें कुछ पता चला है. कैसा boy है? Happy boy. So happy is an adjective. ठीक है? I am giving you examples to make you understand. आपको जैसे मैम एग्जाम्पल दे रही हैं, जैसे हैप्पी बॉय, ठीक है, ये मेंशन नहीं है बुक में कहीं पे भी, बट मैम इज एक्सप्लेनिंग यू. ओपन. ओपन इज अ वर्ब. ओपन द डोर. ओपन एक्शन है ना? तो दिस इज अ वर्ब. सिली. सिली. सिली का मतलब होता है बेवकूफ. तो सिली बॉय, वो बेवकूफ लड़का है, तो ये हमारा एडजेक्टिव हो गया, है ना? वी शुड नॉट यूज सच वर्ड्स, है ना? हमें ये वर्ड्स यूज नहीं करनी चाहिए किसी के लिए, बट वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट एन एग्जाम्पल. सो सिली इज एन एडजेक्टिव. बेटा मैम ने मार्क किया है A I have used for adjective, N I have used for noun and V I have used for verb. You have to write down like this only in your books. You need not color it. आपको कलर नहीं करना है. You just have to write A for adjective, N for noun and V for verb. Okay? हमने silly तक कर लिया था. Now let's move to the next one. Soft. I have already given you an example. Soft pillow. Soft is an adjective. Sleepy. Sleepy is also an adjective. Sleepy dog. Sleepy मतलब सोया हुआ, है ना? तो this is also an adjective. Bowl. 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 ठीक है? तो ये भी हमारा name of a thing है. This is a noun. Yellow. It is a color. Yellow flower. कैसा flower है? Yellow. So this is an adjective. Tree. Name of a thing. This is a noun. Carry. Carry मतलब उठाना. ठीक है? Carry something. Carry your bag. आप बैग लेके चलिए. उठाकर चलना. ठीक है? We use this word जब हमें कोई एक्शन के बारे में बात करनी होती है. So this is a verb. Funny. Funny story. How is the story? The story is funny. So this is an adjective. Funny word is telling something about the word story. है ना? Story के बारे में हमें ये word funny कुछ बता रहा है. So this is an adjective. Lick. L-I-C-K. Lick. All of you know animals lick with their feet. जो आपके pets होते हैं, just to show love, वो क्या करते हैं? They lick with their tongue. है ना? तो ये action हुआ. This is a verb. Next is drive. D-R-I-V-E. Drive. This is an action. Drive करना. Drive करके car drive करना. Bike drive करना. So this is an action. This will be verb. Next is tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Tail. सब जानते हैं tail क्या होता है. So this is a noun. Tail is the name of a thing. So it is a body part. Tail. Part of an animal. Body part of an animal. So this is a noun. Bedroom. Name of a place. So this is a noun. Grew. Grow पता है ना आपको? उगाना. Grew. है ना? तो this is an action. This will be a verb. Sweet. Sweet ice cream. Sweet toffees. So this is an adjective. क्योंकि ये हमें टॉफीज की क्वालिटी बताता है. राउंड. राउंड क्लॉक. कैसी क्लॉक? राउंड क्लॉक. सो राउंड इज एन एडजेक्टिव. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्लॉक. क्लॉक इज अ नाउन. नेम ऑफ अ थिंग. सो दिस इज अ नाउन. नेक्स्ट इज पिज्जा. All of you like this very much. I hope. I know very well. Many of you like this. So this is the name of a food item. It is a name, so it has to be a noun. Okay, this is a noun. Sad. Sad girl. The girl is sad. How is the girl? The girl is sad. So sad is telling something about the girl. So this is an adjective. Cold. Cold weather. How is the weather? मौसम कैसा है? Cold. So this is an adjective. I hope all of you have understood this. If you have not understood, you can go through the video once again. Listen to it very carefully. Do these exercises in your book. Children, we have come to the end of the exercise. Your homework is to learn page number 69 and 70. Learn the definitions also and try to make out some examples from your own for verbs, nouns, pronouns, adjectives. Thank you for watching. We'll be meeting soon with our next video and our next topic.